Hello guys, welcome back to AllinReality. I hope you people are doing good. And today we'll be looking into asset bundles, and you could have seen it is downloading asset and actually placing it in an AR environment. Using AR Foundation, we'll be building this application, and you'll be able to place this kind of furniture. Actually, it is a kitchen of a house, and yeah, we'll be downloading this asset bundle from a Google Drive using a direct link, and we'll be able to place that in a AR environment. Let's get started. Yeah, I just created the sample project. Basically, it is a very empty project. Nothing is there. So I have created some prefabs for this project, which is actually going to be useful for me. One package is for AR UI UX handling for AR Foundation. That also I'll be providing in my GitHub project. So that anyway, I'm just dragging and dropping for the time constraint so that it will be easy. Anyway, I'll cover this complete package in the future videos. So there will be some issues because we don't have as of now AR Foundation plugins. I'll be anyway downloading from the package manager, so you can actually find AR Foundation from here. So you can install AR Foundation, and I'll be only installing AR Core XR plugin because that is the only thing is needed. I think now we are good to go. There will be a scene in UI, which is UX manager. So for this we are using text mesh pro also, so I'll import those assets. So this will be coming up with all the instructions and reasons which you will be using in your project. So I'll just convert my project to Android. Now the project is in Android build settings, and as well as I just saved the scene as main scene, and now we are good to go. From the example, everything is actually available, so we no need to again add anything. Everything is available. Reason manager and as well as animation manager, everything manages by UI UX scripts which I have written. So you can check this out. Everything is like reasons, everything is available. Anyway, I'll take this in the future project like overview. As of now, let's go ahead with asset bundles creation. So we'll be just creating a new script called load models, and we'll just create a manager. And let's start our coding. So basically this is the normal UI for your game, for your AR scene. So we can create one more canvas for our asset bundle loading, and we name it as loading canvas, and we create image on top of it, which will be our which will be like complete screen inside that. So you can actually name it as BG. Inside that we'll have a text which will be showing our loading percentage of our particular asset bundle. So I'll be making it as 200, sorry, I'll be making it as 500 into 500, and I'll actually center line. Yeah, you can anyway according to your size you can actually do it, and I'll put a slider also where it will show the progress. And anyway, we don't need this handle area. basically we'll delete that, and you can change the fill of this particular thing, sorry, the background of this particular thing, so that you will have a difference. And we are just going with the normal colors. So our slider is ready, and our percentage text is ready. And yeah, so both are ready. So let's go and write our script and do that. So in our script will actually serialize field. I'll assign as a game object, because we are not anyway like handling any canvas or something in that. So one is loading canvas. I'm just bad with names, but still I'll try my level best. And one is main canvas. And we have to design a text basically, which is percentage text. And just you'll be getting an issue which is because of UI, so you can import UI. And instead of forgetting, now itself will assign everything, so that will be clear. Main canvas, loading canvas, and inside that you have percentage text, slider. It's cool, everything is fine. Now let's go and create one more serialized field. I'm using serialized field instead of public variable, so that it will be private, as well as we can use those things from our inspector. And let's create a string which is the asset bundle link. And one private game object for holding our game object basically, which is placement AR object, which is equal to null on start basically, which will be loading. And one private asset bundle which is equal to null. So we need to have a bool which actually can clear your cache. So from the cache we can actually clear the asset bundle once it is downloaded, and you actually update it from the particular link. Again, you want to clear the previous cache and download freshly. So this clear cache will be like very much useful. Yeah, this link anyway we'll fill it once everything is done. So as of now, let's make it let it be blank, and once everything is done and asset bundle is created, we'll upload it and create a link and paste it here. On awake, main canvas will be like false. So caching will be on equal to false. So once you actually enable the clear cache bool, so we should be clearing the cache. So according to that, I'm just keeping if condition. If clear cache is true, then I'll be like clearing the cache. So that is for like caching dot clear cache. So that is so simple. This will be only like working once like I want to clear the cache. From editor I can actually check the bool and actually clear the data from my like local for my debugging. So let's create a private enumerator. Yeah, so once the method gets called, we'll be just waiting till the cache is getting ready. If the cache is ready, then we'll not download from the next method. Otherwise we'll be like calling the next method where we'll be downloading the asset bundle using web request. If asset bundle is not available, once it is once get bundle is called already, then do something. Debug.log. So once this is called, here we will be just doing remaining things. So this also will be a enumerator, and we'll be creating a www request, actually web request. So this load from cache or download will be very much interesting. So this will have two parameters basically. One is your URL, which is actually asset bundle link, and the other one is your hash, because it's a version of your asset bundle. If it is available, it will load from local, otherwise it will actually try to download from the link which you are providing. And we'll be just having a while if a request is done. Basically the percentage, actually you can have one more thing, otherwise if request got an error, request is equal to null, else, which is actually an error. Debug.log error, request.error. Now you need to actually return the variable basically. So here we'll actually use percentage slider, which is progress slider dot value. Basically here we'll just give the progress. For creating the percentage text, we'll be just taking the particular progress, and we'll be doing a small concatenation here because it is very much not direct, because we have to convert from the string to decimal, and from there we have to take only first two digits without decimals into the text. So let's take a string array basically, and take that particular complete value into that, and split it with the dot, so that we'll get the first two digits of the particular percentage progress, and we'll be storing that into the text, which will be our percentage text. Yeah, that is it. And after that I need to yield return, which is null. And when there is no error, so here like we have to load the asset bundle into the variable basically, which is like request.asset bundle, and I'm just actually loading canvas dot set active. I'll be just making it false because I got the asset bundle, and I'm just enabling the main canvas. And I'll just debug log. So yeah, I think we are ready. From here it is actually going here, which is with the link, and we'll be getting a set bundle at the end of this process, otherwise it will be an error. So yeah, everything is ready. So we need to call this from our like awake or start function basically. So let's call this after this clear cache start coroutine. Yeah. So that's all guys for the first part, and remaining process from the direct link and uploading it to Google Drive and doing everything else will be carried out in the second part. Hope you like this video, and please follow the second part also, and please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.